Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening, to our seed saving series where every day I'm showing you how to save seeds from a different vegetable as opposed to the flowers that we did last year. So right now I'm going to show you how to do peppers. So the first order of business is leaving the pepper on the vine, on the plant until it is ready to turn color, or it is completely turned color. That means it's at its maximum peak, and that's when we want to save those seeds. So if you growing at different types of peppers, most peppers are green before they turn the color that they're ultimately supposed to be. So jalapenos are green until they're red. Sugar rush peaches are green until they're peach. Most bell peppers are green until they become the color that you're growing them. So that is a little note. So just do your research based on the pepper that you're growing to make sure that it's at its maximum color, and that's when we can harvest it off. So for example, we have our cayenne peppers down here that are finally red, and that means they are at their maximum heat, maximum life, and we are gonna see, as opposed to its green counterpart next door. So we can take these red ones and save the seeds. I'm gonna show you how to save seeds for peppers. Let's move in the house and do that now. So saving seeds from a pepper is probably one of the easiest plants to save seeds from. All you're doing is taking off the stem, opening this up, and taking out the seed. So let me show you. I just removed the stem, and here we are inside. So take a plate and a paper towel. There's no need to wash these seeds or do anything fancy, and we are just simply getting these out of here. Now you're just going to go in and make sure that none are overlapping. Everything's spread in one even layer on this paper towel. And now we just want to set them in a safe place where nothing's going to get blown or knocked or anything like that. And we're going to let them dry. For me, I'm actually just going to put them right on my drying rack here. Now you're going to want to leave them here for a bit. We're going to leave these here for a solid week, and then we'll come back and check them. And just make sure that they're fully dry and brittle. You'll see what I mean when we're done. The thing is with these is you don't want them in direct sunlight either, so shaded, ventilated, cool, dry area. See you in about a week and we'll check in on them. Okay, and here we are. As you can see, they're completely dried out, and we are ready to store them for next year.